Good morning students. As in previous video, I started the chapter If I Were You, in which I have told you that it is a play in which mainly two characters are there. One is George and another is an intruder. While George was packing his bag, an intruder came into his house. He was taking a revolver in his hand and he threatened George to kill him. He wanted to take his identity as he was a criminal and he wanted to escape from the police by changing his identity into Gerard. Students, you have studied how the intruder had asked the name of Gerard and he had asked him whether he was living there. Gerard told him that very few people were coming to him, like baker, greengrocer and milkman. Then what happened? What questions the intruder had asked Gerard and what answer Gerard had given, today we will study. Students, open all of your book and see at page number 150, last line, the speech of intruder. Now open all of your book please. See at page number 140. See, intruder's speech you see. Intruder. I happen to know that you never see tradespeople. When Gerard told intruder that very few people were coming to meet him, like milkman, greengrocers and baker, then intruder told him that Gerard had never seen tradespeople. Gerard, you seem to have taken a considerable amount of trouble. Since you know so much about me, won't you say something about yourself? You have been so modest. Now students, when intruder was telling this, that he had not met with tradespeople, Gerard told intruder that he had taken a lot of trouble and Gerard wanted to know about that intruder. He told the intruder that he should tell something about himself. But the intruder told, what intruder had told, let's see. Intruder, I could tell you plenty. You think you are smart, but I am the top of the class round here. Students, intruder told Gerard was smart, but he told that he was smarter than him. I have got brains and I use them. That's how I got where I am. Intruder told Gerard that he had brains, he could use it. Gerard, and where precisely have you got? Precisely is particularly. Gerard was asking where he particularly have got. It did not require a great brain to break into my little cottage. As intruder had introduced himself that he had brain, he could use it. He was smarter than Gerard. Then Gerard asked him where he had got the brain, and especially there was no need of using brain. You see, intruder. When you know your little cottage, you will be surprised, and it won't be a pleasant surprise. That when Gerard would know the reason why intruder had entered his room, it would be surprise, and it would not be pleasant surprise. Then Gerard answered, Gerard, with you figuring is playing important role. Playing important role. Gerard was telling to intruder, with you figuring so largely in it. Gerard told the intruder that he was playing an important role. That is understandable. By the way, what particular line of crime do you embrace? Or aren't you a specialist? Now Gerard was asking intruder that what particular crime he was doing, he was engaged with. He was a specialist in crime. Then intruder answered, my specialty is jewels robbery. But intruder told that he was a specialist in robbing jewels robbery. He was expert in jewel robbery. When he was stealing jewels, your car will do me a treat. It is certainly a dandy bus. Dandy bus, fashionable bus. And he told Gerard that he was engaged in robbery, and he told that the bus of Gerard would be as a treat for it. It will be suitable for it. Gerard, I am afraid jails are few and far between in the wild Sussex, in the wild, in interior area, in remote area. Now Gerard said that where he was living, in cottage was in remote area, and jails were very few. Very few people had jails. How he could steal them? Then intruder answered, so are the cops. Cops means police officers. Cops means police officers. When Gerard said that they how could he rob, how could he loot it? Intruder told that few police officers were also there. He could escape himself there. So are the retire. I can retire here nicely for a little while. Intruder told Gerard that he could live there. Retire means live. He could live there comfortably. Gerard, you mean to live with me? A trifle sudden, isn't it? A trifle? A thing of small value. Trifle means Gerard told that he was going to do the thing of small value, means to live with him. You mean to live with me? A trifle sudden, isn't it? You have been invited. Gerard said that he had not invited the intruder, and he had entered his room. Intruder, you owned me here long, so I didn't trouble to ask. Intruder warned Gerard that he would suit him, so he would not live for a long time there. Gerard was asking, what do you mean? Intruder, this is your big surprise, I am going to kill you. And then intruder told Gerard that it was big surprise for him that he was going to kill him. Gerard, a little harsh, gentle. Intruder, with heavy sarcasm. Means mocking. Sarcasm is mocking. Now intruder was mocking and saying, A means yes, I will be sorry to do it. I have taken a fancy to you. Intruder said that he had Gerard, but it is just got to be done. Intruder said that he will kill him. Gerard, why add murder to your other crimes? It is a grave step you are taking. Grave step, serious step. Gerard was telling to intruder that as he had told him that he was expert in jewels robbery, then why he was going to means he was going to kill him? Why he was going to take this serious step? Then intruder said, I am not taking it for fun. I have been hunted long enough. He said that hunted is search. He said that he was searched for a long time. People were searching him to arrest. I am not taking it for fun. I have been hunted long enough. I am wanted for murder already. Intruder told that people that police was after him and he was searched for, and they cannot hang me twice. Intruder told that earlier he had murdered someone and police was after him, and if he was going to kill Gerard, he could not be hanged twice. Gerard said, "You are planning a gratuitous means unsatisfied, unjustified. Gerard said that it was unjustified planning that he was going to do. So to speak, I admitted, you have nothing to lose, but what have you to gain?" Now Gerard was asking Intruder, what if you are not going to lose something there by killing Gerard, so what you would gain after killing him? The Intruder said, I have got freedom to gain. Gerard told the reason why he was going to kill. Intruder told Gerard why he was going to kill him. If he was going to kill him, he would gain freedom. As for myself, I am a poor hunted rat. As Vincent Charles Gerard, I am free to go places and do nothing. Now, Intruder told Gerard that he was searching freedom, so he wanted to kill him. He wanted to kill him and he wanted to take his identity and to escape from the police. I can eat well and sleep and without having to be ready to beat it at the sight of the cope. Cope means police officer. Now, Intruder told Gerard that he was going to kill him to get free, to be free from the police, so that he would spend his life there peacefully and he would eat, he could walk freely in form of Gerard by taking his identity. In this up to this part, you have studied how the intruder came into the room of Gerard when he was packing his bag, and he told him that he wanted to kill him to get his identity and to escape from the police, as he had already murdered a person and police was after him and he could not eat, he could not walk freely, so he wanted to be free, he wanted to get freedom, so he wanted to kill Gerard. Further what happened, student, I will tell you in next video. Thank you.